Alright, we're back. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 2 cups of self-rising flour into our mixing bowl. Then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, sprinkle that in pretty good, a teaspoonful of sugar. Keep in mind, all you really need to make this crust is the beer and the flour, but I'm just adding this because I like a little extra flavor. Mix it up. Alright, then I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm going to add my beer. Now this is a dark beer. It's called Black and Tan by Yingling. I use it because it's real stout, plus it adds a kind of honey brown color to the dough. And then you just mix that in. And you want to keep stirring it until you get a little dough ball. Now I've got extra flour in case I compensate with the beer, but you want to work it into a ball. Okay, looks like I might need to add just a few more drops of beer. Keep working until you get a dough ball. Okay, I might have got it too good. Let's see. Alright, now we're starting to get a ball. I'm going to add a little more flour. Keep working it. Keep working it. There we go. It's starting to turn into a nice little ball. Try to get all off the sides. Keep working it. Alright. Now I'm going to add a little flour to my cutting board. Then I'm going to take this puppy out and I'm just going to knead it with my hands. Just fold it over on itself. Fold it over on itself. You're trying to get all the air bubbles out of it and get a nice even texture. Keep on doing it. There you go. Now when you make a dough ball, a lot of people don't understand. They take a real piece of dough ball is a pain in the butt. You got to activate the yeast. Then you got to let it proof for 5 to 6 hours. You know, all you know is just ordering a pizza, but I worked at Little Caesars, Domino's, Conan's, and Pizza Hut. Alright, so now we got us a little good looking little ball here. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Alright. Alright, so yeah, it's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to take a pizza pan and I'm going to spray that. You could also use cornmeal so it don't stick. But this is a butter spray. I like the little flavor you get with it. Then I'm just going to pop this down on there like that and start mashing it out. And you can use your rolling pin and you can roll it out if you want to. But I'm just going to shape it with my hands. And you just keep working it till you get what you're looking for. Okay. Now I'm going to make me a little crust around the edge like that. Alright. There you go. When we come back, I'm going to show you how to top that baby and put it on the grill. Alright, peace out.